Hey guys, if you have Alienware AW2723 and looking for the best settings, this is something that I found and maybe it's going to be helpful. So preset mode, FPS or RTS, game enhance mode off, but if you want you can have it on, response time super fast or extreme for the lowest latency, adaptive sync on, go with the brightness 60 to 80 and contrast 75 to 85. Now you can go with the brightness 100, but it really depends what kind of room you have and what kind of game you're playing. So if you're playing a game that you don't need too much brightness, like let's say Valorant, then go with 70, right? Custom color 97, 99, 96, so try it out. Sharpness 50 for clear and sharp images. The black equalizer 12 to 15. Display mode 16 to 9. And comfort view off. And now if you want in-game settings, you can natural resolution have 248G VSync off. And now if you're gonna have NVIDIA control panel, go with the brightness 50, contrast 50, gamma 0.85, 60-70% digital vibrance, image sharpening off, anti-aliasing FXA off, low latency ultra, and these are for the AMD. So I'm just stop here and you can just copy it and then just go buy it and try it out and let me know if it's actually going to make a difference and if it's going to be better. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.